my first shoulder surgery done, I continued to have pain. So I had to have a total reverse replacement because I couldn't lift my arm anymore. I couldn't lift anything above my, from waist up. I just couldn't lift my arm, couldn't hold weight, couldn't do anything, couldn't reach behind my back, nothing. My first surgeon just would not listen and continued to tell me that there was nothing wrong. He didn't do anything wrong, everything was right. But a person knows their body. And I knew something wasn't right. It took a year to finally, a friend recommended Dr. Denard, so I go to him. Long story short, he found out I was allergic to the metal and was able to go in and fix it and gave me back the use of my arm again and gave me back my life, basically. I came from California to Oregon. It was in that morning, out that afternoon, back home. The ache that was there to begin with from the first surgery was gone. I just knew in my heart, I could feel the difference, and I knew things were right at that point. The recovery part of the second surgery that Dr. Denard himself did was more rapid. I recovered so much quicker, and I feel like it's because it was done correctly and there wasn't any hiccups in the process of getting well. I was back doing my regular routine within less than 3 months, probably 6 weeks after the second surgery, after he did the work himself. So to me, I was blessed. If anybody needs anything done with their shoulder, go see Dr. Denard. He's the man.